You are the Speaker, Anambra State House of Assembly. Right Honorable Udeze has called for urgent attention towards the revival, promotion, and preservation of the famous Ukwu Yam House and other historical monuments in the community, describing Ukwu as one of the oldest communities with rich cultural heritage in Igbo land. Right Honorable Udeze made the call during a visit to the historic National Yam House, Ukwu, and during the celebration of Olilie de Mbugu, Ukwu Festival, which he attended with members of the State Assembly, as well as the Commissioner for Culture, Entertainment and Tourism, Chief Udoji Amedu. House of Assembly correspondent Emmanuel Chigbata filed this report.
Place in the ancient history and cultural identity of Igbo, stressing that the community cannot be ignored whenever the history and civilization of the Igbo race are discussed, adding that the famous Ukwu brooms, the Yam House, museum, and other cultural monuments located within the community deserve greater recognition and development.
We just passed a resolution of the House that the Yam House in the Ukwu should be celebrated as a New Yam festival that will be celebrated annually in the state. And we believe that my visit today with my members for us to see, reassess, and also make it a place that in Anambra will be visited as a tourist center.
In his remarks, the Commissioner for Culture, Entertainment and Tourism, Chief Udoji Amedu, described the Ukwu Yam House as a priceless cultural asset that deserves urgent preservation, proper structuring, and elevation to a status befitting both national and international recognition, noting that the site is not just a local heritage symbol, but a key cultural landmark that tells the story of early Igbo civilization, artistry, and identity.
We felt that this place is too small. We really need a big place. Most of us knows what happens when we do village at Oka. Since it is a national festival, if the whole Nigeria should turn to come here, or Southeast,
in his historic account, the chairman, interagency committee, and national tourism ambassador, Chief Ugochukwu Okafozu, explained the origin and significance of the Yam House and appealed to the government to declare a public holiday during the National New Yam Festival celebrated in Ukwu, while thanking the Speaker for the resolution passed by the House to make the Yam House a tourism and festival center. Recall that the member representing Agwata 2 constituency, Honorable Tony Mwabike, had recently moved a motion at the Anambra State House of Assembly seeking the designation of the National Yam House, Ukwu, as a tourism and festival center in the state. From Ukwu, Emmanuel Shibata for EBS News.